West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 50s. Following is a tornado watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Tornado watch number 90 remains in effect until 10 p.m. and now includes the following county: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable to the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 90 remains in effect until 10 p.m. and now includes the following county: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania. The following is a tornado watch announcement from the